Hadin balami kerja memiak baik ya dan ti akan kerja penyak jaga exam Common University Entrance Test bala penyak dekat National Testing Agency North Eastern Hill University. Nagalang UM liga maulai bak stable marbanyang atau dhot dengan media sel Dr. Rusiven Syangpiang bat kit dhot ke Voice of the People Party mendekami ke lahir marmar syakate ke jaka penyakran bat ke board penyak jaga exam bat manlam dalam khidmat dekat sosat ke baki samla puli ke haban mat nagajing lek thumur jong ke NTA. Nagalang UM liga maulai oleh yo penyakran berkibor beri penyak exam snow bakum kan di kesosat sama puli kimde ban mat biang apakah hadim pada punya kendu bagi nak penyak exam ubak bright wester well ulong bakan di kejingjah nuhu ke pau syekrar baka sokar jela bar ki inti kile keu jakai ya kalau kisam la puli ong bakum ke parti ki penamjor je ke bakum kani apa benrap Dr. Rusiven Syangpiang ulong baka parti na du kasin ke benengkong kalau hak kajing tho syaka sarkar ndrai menteri katarat kepuli keputi urakam esang ma uang penban baka BP kaliap politics ya kane kambat ulong bamenta kaja komne na kalang menteri baka sarkar ke di basyim ya kacengket kli laban kedua hang ni baka VP na du umnar krangkat ladap man phak kajing tho syaka sarkar baka jeng pelong ya ke exam CUET kamdai ban bujing ya kepsan la pule ni na kalang menteri ulong baka sarkar kale ya kamram bat khadru ikene yalam ko VP ha tak pot ban kan bat unyo men batai ya kai kesenjam baka sarkar kalapan kre.
That's possible, and we our institutions we have enough strength to prepare our children. They should have come and met me. I would have briefed them well, but just to inform everybody. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, I had a phone calls with the DG of NTA New Delhi, and in the telephonic conversation, the DG of NTA New Delhi has informed me that for the postgraduate courses, 3 centers will be set up for Meghalaya, 1 in Tura and 2 in Shillong. And however, based on the number of enrollment for the students, they may open up more centers in the state based on the number of applicants of the
University. Yes. And you are the registrar. I'm the registrar. So you are the new man for university responsible. No. A center is being allotted and you were asked to run. Yes. All measures have been taken into consideration. No.
Correct.
Why should the students go through all these problems?
The point here is that
it means that this shows that even the NTA is not ready.
I will not be able to comment on NTA.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
But the point here is
being the center in charge.
As registrar of university, I can say that the non-confidential material, that is the roll numbers and other aspects and the centers, if they sent it to us 1 week before, we could have arranged it better. We received it yesterday evening at 6 o'clock from NTA that these are the roll number of these students.
This is not right for our students. How do you expect them to perform when they have to go through all these things?
I have nothing to comment on that aspect because that be the case, then the case can be taken up. That reconduct the exam, that can do another.
To say reconduct sounds so easy, no? But then for students,
It is because of that reason that to avoid reconduct, I have spoken to NTA.
With all these problems going through conducting the exams,
I would like to tell you that all possible steps that are possible at the university level, we have now taken. Arrange for the rooftop accommodation for all the staying for all the people because in rain, everyone came in. It began to be.
but then see, this
It's not that the crowd management was not there. We had the RCPO staff here.
you are aware that
Exam.
heavy rainfall, and this point of the year, wind is there. As a center also, we have taken them proper arrangement.
It is the time wise.
Yes.
11 to 12:15 is one shift, shift 1 alpha, then is shift 1 bravo, then is 2 alpha and 2 bravo.
So this is okay. This is for today.
Yes, this for today.
And it shift one. How many students?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. In shift 1 we had about 300, in shift 2 we had about 500, in shift 3 we have 4,000.
Shift 3 is 4,000. The one
This is the shift, yes.
Let me clear a picture. Shift 3, we got some students who were allocated to KB, Jehu. But they came here because they were either late or something. NTA called us, accommodate them.
That's the problem.
These are the problems. And some students roll number was not with us. And NTA sent their two students here.
Tomorrow.
No.
Tomorrow we do not have exam, it's being conducted at the centers.
We don't
It should be just today.
only today. They want the base number here.
Ibang nagaling jong hip kon kendo kon buat punya jong mereka exam si long punya sok bet ke jing kran ke ai kada ko kon long ban kumar kana ke punya ke exam ni han
Pi ngatrai kane ka bangi yoi habi di baka jingja jong kane ka si tim ta si antrai na du mene meski hilai I kadon ka jing kulmar henrei habangi pej pan ka center ka ba kham kulmar ka dei hang ne po nehu dei habangi pej kiwi sekiwi pat ka center I kumaki ki yat bet ngim dayo asngo ya kane katai kan dan agaliang jong ka party na du mene meski ki para members ke jongi ki babun ki lawan ki la persang ban sngo thu ke ka jinge ka badan hang ne po nehu Andrei ke ka bangala ban sngo thu ling ba ka jing kendu ka jonga ba gitu ki ba shimti ban penyat ya ka ni ka CUT ne po nehu kalong ba kat kum ka jing batai ka jongi ki ong ba ka capacity jongki ba ki la ban shim ngang shim bi kum ba ki batai ma ki mo yong ba ka capacity ka jongi kalong ba ki la ban shim kum ba ar hajar Henry menepan ki hab ban kondok kum ba 1,000 teli te kata kari ka papelong ka warna kani ka jingkulmar ha kani ka singi te nakaliang ka jungi ngaso ban kum ka party ngaso ban penrem namar balai ka ya kani ka isu nakaliang ka jungi kum ka party ban nakaliang ka jonga kum u MLA ha kani ka session ka barang dem lara ya kani ka mat nama ngaso thu kan sakta ya ki khon samla ka jungi but nakaliang jong education minister hatu ko por ula assure on the floor of the house ong bangila long ready lalong ready ban kondok kanom don kanu ka jing wit nakaliang jong education minister tenre kumangi I patmenta kamlong komta te nakaliang ka jonga nga condemn ya ka sarkar ka bamshim nashim khyai kane bat kumba pi mene kidon shibun ki khon samaru namar ka jing kulmar bon apreng joki ki hab bansha kaski don ki bala hab bansha auslam don ru ki bala kelon mene te kum kita ki long ki bam stanan namar kham tam ngi haban prakhat ki khon samna ke jungi namar blai ka bor jumut jumkhat ka juki kam biang shu namar hadien bakilaya ya shibun ki jing shwa bakin shong ya ka examination prakhat pi ka examination ru ka haga jaka ki don ki de ban long lai baji lara ki chudu san baji te ngaso ba kani kan kata shibun ya ki khon samna ke jungi ki ban ya khon ya kani ka exam sini ka por ka bamanta
Naping na penong mara namar bola pada ni pai kendat yang nakaling ka VPP kala tho sukar baka dai pan biang sa ban empat penteri kami ke CIT nomor 4 lang redi hatu la penong baka nakaling ka yu ke suko ngo bai kat ba ai hukum na delhi ba penteri kami CIT kat ban nakaling yang kajerla ka pot long redi ka 4 don ka bor sa ban penong ni ke eksa
Pi nakaliang ka jongi la dep ong mo lada ka sarkar ka shim kamut kande ba kala de ban long ka balalong lakhre along ready Henry kaba sosi pat kum bakalong manta ngi kran be ya kai ka baja po ni hu lada kalong kum ni pat kalong kai ka ba pin sosi ya ki babuan khamtam ki me ki pangan thai play I don sibun ki me ki pa banado men step adu menta ki don hang ni ki lut ngan thai play yo ban ya kran bat ki thai pin kham stu khamba da ka ba pi kran leng ba ki me ki pa bat ki khna ki ba mat ya ka jing mo Kendiat ru try ngahap ban penpau hang ni ba ka failure ru kadai naka NTA National Testing Agency. Namar balai kadai ka problem actually kadai ka ba nadu hang ni ki por ki bla deb min ba ki khana ki jungi ki hap ban lej ban tho shabaru. Perkhat pi hadu mene la jandai sto ka por ban tho ki don ki khana ki bam pat shem lala ban download ya ki admit card ki jongki. Kata kadi kawai kaba ngasko ba mo nakaliang jo sarkar kadi ban simkhya ban yakren bat ke NTA bakum kani kamla ban long bat ki khana ru la kum num no siteu shwa kapor kla di ban yo ban download ya ke admit card nang tapat de kla di ban tip ha ke center yu ki di ban ngan kanang ba kan num penlong kumalong mene mo don na preng jongki ki me ki pa ki ba fun nga mene ngla su ong ki to nang pha ki khun ki jong phi li up lupa hang te ha jaka ka ba ki di ban le exam tip bagi hap apo ni hu kem tip sakno ka jaka pan Henry P nang don ha ka jaka ba phila ban download hanu no por ba phi ban download sanang pha ya ka admit card perkhat pi kum kata mo te ngi bani khun ya kanika examination te nakaliang ga jonga ngasngo ba ka sarkar ka di ban simkhya kam di ban sulong nyang ko ngu mo kat bawan na po Delhi ban su priang ben ne gi don sibun ki jing tuna kam tam leng ba kanika National Testing Agency kamla ban sukhen sting gumne banile kai ba kalawai jongki khun samla ki jongi takoi ka ba nakaliang ka jongi I ka ba kadon ka failure khandian namar kumbang la suthu ba daki hajar ki khana ki wan ban shong ya kanika CUT hakanika hapo nihu ndre ngim simlai I nakaliang jong government bakan perkhat in advance mo namar kidon ki khana ki bon ban tho ya ka CUT po nihu kidon ki bawan na ki wei pat ki district kumang ya kenduk ka tu ni khna mo kini ki parlok ke jungi ki kenduk kidon ki bawan na thina po pathar khma ni ki ong tip mentang in dalek inang yo kali ne myo ne mo te pet hadu mentar ngidang don hang ni mentala khandai siteng DPE ki khna ki dang mi ki dang dep man thoi ki exam si ki te nakaliang jongka sarkar ngami I bakan simkhya ba kum gani ban penbiang lupa mo abai de ba ka transportation nakamta jongki khna bar kum ju ru mene haba kiyo ya ka admit card khana ki bade center po nihu mo henry hapo ka admit card ka khlem batai shai chutho ben bakin ngat hapo nihu henry khlem da mention la ken ngat hapo kata ka cluster classroom jongka social science lane ka cluster classroom jongka science dena matara mene ki don ki bla song satai haga bakhadu ong de shani nang tai ki wan shani kidon ki bakhna ki ba lawan shani sapo science cluster classroom hak bakhadu ki hab banlen shatai sapo jongka social science te kita ki mo ki ba bu ya ki khna ki jungi ha ka jing e bat le sia ka bla ban khta ru ya ka performance ka jongki te ngasko mo nakaliang ka jungi te kum ka party isko ba ngami I le sia nakaliang mene bro ski kini ki parlok ka jungi ki badan hang ne ru singim I ba nakaliang ki government officials ki banwan hang ni mo wala da education minister loong ba em ngila long ready ngila prepare henry ngaso ba nakaliang ka joki at least la di ban pha ya ki officials ban pen kumno ka ya kumno ka long la da ki don ki jingduna ken take ki concrete steps ban la ni ki measures kumno ban pen ben ya kita ki jingduna henry ngim simlai I ngam tip nakaliang ka jonga ngam simlai I ba nakaliang jong ki parlok ki jongi mene ro ngim simlai I ba nakaliang jong ki officials bakin one at least ban don hang ni mau ban I bandon kan badadon kini jing jale se bakila ban ai ke jing yarab te kata kadika mo le singla manong kadika failure nakaliang jongka government
nakaliang jongka parti ngi da prem ta ya ka sarkar ka ba simsting ya ka kam namar ba suthu ba nadu ka por bangi tho sti ka sarkar na bunai Januari ngila da ai ka jingmut ya ka bakan penbiang centers mo nadong sadong ni kumala mata ka sngi kamut kadni ka kam ka bakale sarkar ka fail kalau total failure nakalian juga sarkar pi sapo apo silong jongi kita duk prahajar sanspa tam ki students ki bapia tambah ki center ki don kharbai teli kan ba syatura ki don tanggu basan hajar ruspa angut ei kan ba ki center ki don fauteli tetang tang ina sothu ba ki kinsting ya kani ka jaka jongi sini bakim selale ei ban penbiang tenor kata karukom penyaj apo ni hu ki ban pej bhaken hakan urukom ki bu i roll numbers ki khana katu kya bani pej ki roll number tang kawai ka bot adu kala long ka lajan sajing stampede dan dia pakai shit ka mene ka sni kala banjia ka ike ka basusi Bat ka dengan ka beneng khendiat ru kladun ki kena ki ba moh kilai yo jing stom e mene ten rekum katu ke jingjia kamdi shu banjian anis khmat nakalian jo parti ngin sa tho sak sarkar bat ngin sa airu ka kenja warning bananis khmat lada kerja kum tu kan haban kit kli na ka benta ka future nam ta ka karya jo kini kena kanungut ki mene ki lali phana sieng na kada ba kimyo shu ban tho ka exam kidon kitu bla jelot na du kli du kjat ba pli kin chong sa exam ma tho kimna shu ban concentrate mangia kendu iki ngisos nei ba iki kumbai lapan pau dei ba prai mentan te nakaliang jongi jong ka parti hi ngi pen pau ya ngi perem adu kata sarkar de kini jingle kinsting joka bat nani khmat kamdi shu panja kum kani kini ke exam kandang don hadu arfwe afu atrik te kini kisni banwan nang nehu lani manu ki penya na ke exam bat kamtam na state government kimdi shu ban ja kum kani bajam taksni kuble shibon ka long ke ke ba long shock nam ta jong barok mo ki bai i long ba ka social media ka long viral le to video ka ba ja po nehu bagi kena ki yang katu pani ap tang ya rule number joki te mdon traffic mdon i po nehu ban penya ki kali kala block du kata ki ginong lit nong wan ki kena ki pon le exam ba kumta ya barok hi te nakaliang jo ka parti ngi lakren assembly ba brai lakren assembly ba arden ila ra kan ka issue assembly ila thoru sarkar education minister ula keren ben ya ke parti perlu dak keno mangi pelong politik ya kena kakam mangi a jimodi halo ka CUT ya bamenta bakapa kum ni mau la ne man ki kli ya kata bat hato bangi wan ni hang ni un keno saya bangi wan ni hang ni bangi le politik ni wan hang ni bang sokhia namta ki khna namta ki kmi ki pa bla pelut ya kapor kapisa ban sim ta kene bai exam penile kene exam pinyo kelas ki kon te nak ta kadau ndai ban keno ya ka BPP bangile politics ndai kane ketika kam ke bang sukhia nam ta pajba nam ta ki khon sama ki jongi ne ki bon ki khna ki baladu bangile exam namar ki don ki bala jelot nadu khli adu jat ki don ru balai phai no namar ki mio rule number jongi bat nata kadau na ka kalian joka sarkar ka ban watlat kumno ban le nam ta ki tu ki khna banyarap ki bakinom du ya ka kelas bakin lej haki college ba pher hoi suthu ba kanihu bat ki college ki habanyat kat kum kajing penyat hi na ka central government ndai ka nakaliang ka sarkar ka diban wat kilat kumno banyarap itu ki khna kata ka di jingkerpat nakaliang jok parti